Hello everyone. Welcome back to PBW channel. Our subject for today is Health for Pratom 2 or P2. This is about Unit 2 and Unit 2 is about the nature of human. Our topic for today is all about the nature of human life. But before we discuss about the different natures of human life, let's try to read these different kinds of words. These are the vocabularies. Let's read these words. Aging, enthusiastic, doing exercise, hang out, health problem. Once again, we have aging. Another one, enthusiastic. We also have the word doing exercise, hang out, and health problem. These are the different vocabulary words that you can learn today. First, let's talk about aging. What is aging? When we say aging, for example, we undergo from birth as we go older. That is example of aging. Next, we have the word enthusiastic. What is enthusiastic? You are eager for everything that you do. For example, when your teacher asks you to recite, you are eager to recite. That is enthusiastic. It's like you are being happy. Next word we have doing exercise. So there are different kinds of exercise just like what they are doing on these pictures. They are doing exercise like stretching and some we have playing. Another word is hangout. What is hangout? For example, you have a group of your friends and then you go for a picnic. Another one is you go outside to play some kinds of games. That is hang out. You hang out with your friends. Another word is health problem. What are examples of health problem or sickness? First example is having a cough. Another one we have stomach ache. We also have toothache and also allergies. These are examples of health problem. You are being sick. This time, let's talk about the different nature of human life, and it starts from birth to death. Human life starts from birth to death. So human beings have different growth and changes in their bodies according to their age, which are first we have birth, aging, sickness, and death. These are the different growth and changes in our bodies. All of us experience this one. We have birth, aging, sickness, and death. So these are the cycle of human life. We have four. First, birth. The second one is aging. The third one, sickness. And the last part of our life is death. So once again, these are the four cycles of human life: birth, aging, sickness, and death. Now let's talk about birth. So as you can see here, we have baby and a pregnant woman. So it takes the baby in the womb of this mother 9 months. And after 9 months, it is born as babies. And this is the beginning of human life. 9 months inside the womb of your mother, and then after 9 months, you are born as babies. And after that, that is the beginning of our life. When you are going out from the womb of your mother after how many months? 9 months. After birth, we undergo aging. Oh, what is aging? We grow according to age. For example, childhood. From baby, you will turn into childhood. And then adulthood, we also have old age. So our body changes according to age. So people grow old. People grow old from baby to childhood to adulthood and old age. So this one is aging. Now let's go to the third one. It is the sickness. Again, the first one is birth. The second one is aging. And this is the third one, sickness. What is sickness? Sickness can happen in any age. For example, it can happen to babies. Another one, so it can happen at any age. For example, when you are baby, baby can also get sick. We also have when you are adult or when you were in Pratom 1 or Anuban, you can get sick. So that is sickness. It can also happen to old age. So these are the reasons why people get sick. For example, when they are not being clean, when their body are dirty, so they can get sick by having stomach ache. What else? They can have allergies. We also have not doing exercise. When you do not do exercise, you will get sick. Another one is not enough sleep. When you do not have sleep or not enough sleep during nighttime, you can possible get sick. Again, these are the reasons for sickness. Not being clean, not doing exercise, and not enough sleep. Now let's go to the last part of human life. This is death. What is death? It is the end of life. It can happen at any age, just like for sickness, for different reasons. What are the reasons? First, when you are weak. When you are weak or your body is weak, you can die. Or when you are having sickness, you can also die. Another one is when you met an accident. For example, car accident. You can also die. So just like sickness, it can happen at any age. For example, for baby. So before we answer your book, let's have a review of the different cycle of human life. Can you still remember them? First, we undergo birth. We take 9 months inside the womb of our mother. Another one we have aging. So everybody undergoes aging from small to big. We change in our, for example, in our body. Something is changing, so that is aging. Just like for you, you undergo birth and then you go to Anuban, Pratom 1, Pratom 2. So that is an example of aging. Your body changes. Aside from birth and aging, everybody can experience sickness. For example, the baby can get sick. The grandmother can get sick. And the last cycle of human life is death. So everybody undergoes death. Once again, these are the four cycle of human life: birth, aging, sickness, and death. This time, get your pencil, eraser, and your health book for P2 and open it on page 31. Page 31. On this page, fill in the blanks below the pictures. So what are the four cycles of human life again? First is birth. So as you can see here, this is a baby. So what comes next to birth? You try to answer 1, 2, 3, 4 are the cycle of human life. And when you are finished answering, you may now keep your books. We will only answer page 31 of your health book. So that ends our lesson for today. And thank you everyone for listening. Goodbye.